Hi guys, welcome to the video. So before we start the video, just don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Yeah, and also you could put it on the sides too. So we're building this bird feeder. This is what the bag looks like. See?
Do we do it like this too?
Yep. Don't forget that other side. So just before we start the video, just want to say, just don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's a big help. Soon I'm gonna make a special video. I think it's gonna be way to it today. So yeah. So I'm gonna keep filming. And
is it done so we get to put it on each side?
Yep.
So I'm just gonna take the top, you see guys? And then just like, see if we attach it on like this.
Okay, then perfect.
Oh my god.
Nope. Sorry. Okay, I'll help.
Okay.
Sorry guys, sorry. So, we're going to do,
take the copper
and then connect it. So, then we're going to put glue all over the bottom.
all over this. Is this bottom?
No, this is the bottom.
This bottom?
Okay, then you're going to stick it in the middle. So, look, see, we're going to put the glue on. I think that's about enough.
Like this?
Yep, and then stick it in the middle.
Right here?
Okay, so now the roof pieces.
Yep.
I have to check what's we're gonna do a part 2. Yeah, we're gonna do part 2 next. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye.